In today's video, we are going to be assembling this table. It's known as an over-the-bed table or a hospital table. Here I've laid out the pieces. It looks like it's going to be a pretty straightforward assembly. On the left, you see the base. On the middle, that is the upright column. And then on the right, we have the tabletop itself with the two inserts. So let's get started. It's not much of an instruction sheet. So for those of you who really need to see it put together, this video might be a real help to you. Inside the bag of hardware, you can see there is an Allen wrench, and it looks like all of these screws are put together with that simple tool. I'll probably use it, but if not, if it gets to be too much, I'll just get my Allen wrench set and it'll go a little faster. There doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason, any order to this. So I'm going to start with the tabletop upside down and attach this. Now, it can also go this way. What's the difference? Probably none, other than this is where the support column is going to be. So I don't know if it matters. I think I'd rather not have the cup holder over the top of me if I was sitting in a chair or in bed. So I'm going to set it up this way, which by the way is the same way that's shown in the pictures. So we're just going to take 4 of the standard screws, and I'm going to go ahead and screw this in. I'm just thinking this would be a lot easier if you had a screwdriver, power screwdriver or drill that has an Allen wrench attachment. It's not too bad. I'm going to do the whole thing by hand. By the way, screws like this have a tendency to come loose. So what I'm going to do when I'm all done with this build is tape that underneath the table like that. You'll never know it's there, but if this ever comes loose, you won't have to go searching for a tool. Next, I'm going to put in the upright. It attaches to that. Now there is an adjustment knob that screws in here. That's so you can adjust the table height up and down. Now you want that adjustment knob to be facing outward. So when I install that, I'm putting it in like that. That way when I'm using the table, it's a little easier to reach. Okay, so we're just going to put those in. It's a good idea to get all 4 of these started before you tighten any one down, and go as far as you can with your fingers. There's no reason to work that Allen wrench more than you have to. Now for the base, what you're going to do is use this barrel nut, okay, called a barrel nut because it looks like a barrel, and you're going to put that in there and then come up from underneath with the screw. And this might be a little tricky to do on camera, but I'll get one of these started, and there we go. And this also has the Allen head, so you can work this from either the top or bottom. So I'll just have to do that 3 more times. And by the way, when you're putting this on, make sure the wheels are in the right direction. Since I have the whole unit upside down, I'm seeing the wheels right now. And now we'll put in the 2 inserts, the pencil rack or cable rack, whatever you want to call that, and the drink holder. So it snaps right in. There we go. So there it is, completed. Real simple build. You can see it rolls pretty easily. Here it is, pulled up to a chair. See, it fits nicely. That's as far as it'll go because you can see the bar is hitting onto the arm of the chair. But that's pretty good. That's it, simple project. It'll take you 10 to 15 minutes. I would rate it about a 2 out of 10 for difficulty. The most difficult part is probably having the patience to screw in all of those Allen screws by hand. I've linked the product down below from Amazon if you want to get it. I think you'd be happy with it overall. Thanks for watching. As always, I encourage you to like and share the videos. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.